If you have 2 hours a day and Wi-Fi, you're ready to start generating at least $100 a day with these 10 easiest services on Fiverr. You don't need any experience because AI will do all the hard work. And don't worry, all the services I'll show you, even new sellers have made over 1,000 sales from them, proving they're in high demand. And the best part? You can offer all these services to turn Fiverr into your money-making machine. So, the first service is convert image to video. As you see here, this seller made over 1,000 sales. He just takes an image from the buyer and converts it into a loop video using an AI tool like Runway. By the way, you will not pay any dollar for all these services. We will use only the free plan. Click on Generative Session, then upload your image here. If you see this gig, he made a loop animated GIF. To make it, just upload the same image again at the end so it starts and ends with the same frame. For the prompt, type what the buyer wants. For example, type smooth motion and that's it. Now send it to the buyer and you're done. For the price, I suggest starting with $15. And if you want to add a standard gig, you can make the text to video directly. You'll receive the description from the buyer. Put it on Leonardo AI to generate the image, then use Runway to make the animation. The second service is AI-powered logo design. This is a new seller who achieved more than 1,000 sales, and you can do this too. All you need to do is let AI design the logo. We'll use Leonardo AI because it's free and generates the best images. Here's how. Click on Image Creation. From the Style section, choose the style that the buyer wants. In the image dimensions, select 1:1. For the prompt, enter the information the buyer gives you on ChatGPT and ask it to generate the logo prompt. Copy that prompt, paste it here, and click Generate. That's it. You'll get the best logo. Download it and send it to the buyer. For pricing, start with a solid $5 to generate lots of reviews, then increase it to $20 as you grow. The third service is AI-generated art. I already talked about this in another video where we sell some Halloween art. Check this out. This seller made over 1,000 sales offering the same service. This service has less competition and high demand. All you need to do is take the prompt the buyer gives you, put it into Leonardo AI, and download your art. It's that easy. Before sending it to the buyer, the art should be in a cool mockup. Just search on Canva for art mockup and place your art there. That's it. But some mockups require Canva Pro. Don't worry, bro, I got you. In the description, you'll find a link. Just put $0 and put your email to grab your Canva Pro. Afterward, I'll get your email and add you to Canva Pro. If you want, you can enter an amount to support the content. Anyway, for pricing, start with $10. The fourth service is content writing with AI. Check out this gig. This seller put a crazy price for just a simple blog that we can easily generate with ChatGPT. And here's another one. To stand out from the competition, offer content writing in a different language like Spanish or German. Trust me, they're making huge money because there's little competition in those languages. Here's how. Take the topic and other details from the buyer, like the content style and word count. Use that info to create a solid prompt in ChatGPT, but don't ask it directly as it might generate basic content that looks AI made. Instead, use this app. Click on Explore GPTs, search for blog content writer, and choose it. Now paste your prompt there, and that's it. Your blog is ready. Save it in Google Docs and download it as a PDF. For pricing, start with $5 per 500 words because you're not writing anything. The AI does it all. The most important thing in this gig is to highlight in the title that the blog is SEO friendly. The fifth service is AI-generated ebooks, and this is the most profitable one. Why? Because we'll start with $30 per book, and after that, we can scale it up. Check out this gig. It made over 1,000 sales with a crazy price. But instead of copying them, we'll focus on kids' stories, which are the most popular. Here's how to do it. Take the title or description of the story from the buyer. Go to ChatGPT and ask it to create prompts to generate the book content and prompts for images for each chapter. Download the ebook creator plugin on ChatGPT, enter the prompts, and generate the entire book. Next, we'll create images for each paragraph. Use Leonardo AI, select the cartoon style, and set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Generate all the images based on the prompts we prepared earlier. Finally, Put your book content into Google Docs and insert one image at the end of each chapter. And that's it. Your ebook is ready. For pricing, start with $30 per book, and once you get 5 to 10 positive reviews, increase the price to $50. The sixth service is SEO keyword research. A lot of bloggers need trending topics to write about and use them in their blogs to rank higher. This is why these gigs get sales, and this one too. We'll use an app called Free SEO Keyword Research in ChatGPT. Here's how. Send the topic the buyer needs keywords for. ChatGPT will generate SEO-friendly keywords for you. Put the list into Google Docs and you're done. For pricing, set it at $5 for 50 keywords and $10 for 150 keywords. If you think this is easy, wait till you see the next service. The seventh service is AI-powered business naming, and it's the easiest and most popular service. These new sellers have made over 1,000 sales offering this. The concept is simple. The buyer wants to start a branded business but can't come up with the right name. That's where you step in to find the best options for them. Here's how to do it. Use Namelex, the best business name generator. Answer a few questions to help it understand the type of name the buyer is looking for. And there you have those professionals named in seconds. Choose one or two great options and send them to the buyer. Set the price at $5 for this service. The eighth service is product mockups, and it's super enjoyable because we turn this into this. But first, let's see how much people are making with this service. This seller made over 1,000 sales with a price of $30. That's crazy. And here's another one doing the same. Now, how can you create product mockups like those? I got you. Go to this Canva link where you'll find tons of mockups for any type of product. You can even search directly for what the buyer wants. Start editing. Just drag the product image and you're done. Your product mockup is ready. But don't copy the same pricing as that seller. They have lots of reviews, which helps them keep generating sales. For you, start with $10. The ninth service is AI translations. Yes, you heard it right, translations. People use this service to translate large books or PDFs. As you can see, this gig makes over 1,000 sales. The hack here? Focus on English to Spanish translations, as it's one of the most popular and profitable gigs. But don't even think about using Google Translate. You'll end up with a 1-star review because it doesn't provide perfect translations. Instead, use ChatGPT. Just break the text into smaller parts, ask it to translate into Spanish, compile the translated sections into a PDF, and send it to your buyer. As for pricing, start with $5 per 200 words. The 10th service, and one of the most trending ones, is AI voiceover services. If you check out this gig, you'll notice even new sellers make over 1,000 sales. To reduce competition, target Spanish voiceovers, as they often generate even more sales. This is a trending niche that buyers are actively seeking. Here's how you can do it. Head over to 11 Labs, one of the best AI voice generators. Search for the voice type you need, such as a Spanish voice. Add it, paste the script provided by the buyer, and click Generate. That's it. You now have a high-quality voiceover ready to deliver. I've already explained this service step by step in the video, so if you want more details, check the link in the description. But please, don't waste time searching for other services to sell because these are the easiest ones. So, starting today, set up your Fiverr account and start publishing these 10 gigs. That's all for now. See you in the next video.